You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. If you ever get pulled over.
Notice how the judge emphasizes the lifelong impact of a DWI conviction. This isn't just a slap on the wrist. Even a single offense can follow you for decades, showing up in background checks, job screenings, and every traffic stop. What do you think? Should a first-time mistake haunt someone forever, or does the law go too far here?
First thing an officer does, they look at your record. If they see that you have a prior DWI and they roll up to your window and they smell alcohol or they smell dope or anything funky, it's probably not going to go well for you. And what we're doing today, after today, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. If you're not in this country with permission and you do that kind of time, you can all but. Do you understand what I'm saying? If I were you, even if you've had a sip of alcohol, I wouldn't get into a car. Not only that, it is a $6,000 surcharge. You pick up another DWI. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no changing. You understand? So no PCI, just wants to get it. All right. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty, sir? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 3 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 1 day that you've done. I'm now going to suspend your license for 90 days or your ability to get a license. Don't drive. If you get into a car and you get pulled over, they're going to see this. It's not going to go well. Good luck, sir.
Buena suerte, señor. Judge, on the surcharge, ask you to waive that. The DPS.
Your lawyer is asking for me to waive a $3,000 surcharge. We all make mistakes, but when you continue to make mistakes, whether you endanger other people's lives, it's unacceptable, and you will pay for it if it happens again dearly. You understand?
Claro, sí, ocurre de vuelta. ¿Lo entiendes?
Yeah. Okay, I'll waive it for you.
No le va a cobrar los dos.
I've tried to get in contact with the officer. Whether they'll be able to get him to try to give me the serial number off the gun to match the serial number to what we have. So I was just still not able to get in contact with them.
When did you reach out to them?
I believe it was Friday.
So on the newer one. The older one, Judge, what I can say is, and I'm pulling it up now, I can see the agreement here. Without seeing any possible future weapon, our position is this is an agreement.
Yeah, I mean, if it's part of the agreement that he's supposed to forfeit the weapon, that's
That
part
was
of the
only,
agreement.
I can't say the same thing.
Okay,
The newer one was.
but can you verify that the serial number is the same on the gun on the paperwork?
We're trying to do it, we just don't, we don't have, I don't have the serial number and I don't have a way to get the serial number without the debit. Unless,
Do we want to say if we can't confront them in a week, we just, you know?
No, subpoena him now.
Okay, well, that's fine. Or he tells us.
Right, right. Issue the subpoena now. So come here. Come on up.
So you keep hands up.
So they have been, the idea is that I want to make sure that the gun that you're saying is yours matches the gun that's there. So we're trying to match the serial numbers. They have not been able to do it. They've reached out to the officer. He's not responding. So we're going to subpoena the officer to come to court to try to verify everything.
First one.
I mean, I got to imagine that when they take custody of the gun, they put the serial number in the offense report. No?
Didn't on this one,
And what else I can do is I can try to check RMS to see if there's an updated offense report. That's the only thing I can do.
Can I say something? It's on Lockwood, the place where they keep the guns at. You can call up there and verify if it's there like that. You could do it like that too. Cause I already called up there and before, cause I thought I could go straight up there and get it, and I gave them the serial number to the weapon and the case number, and they told me it was there.
I did that too.
And they
Hear that?
close at 4 o'clock.
All right, we can try to call them. Certain it's now not panics, like, can you give us, what was the address you said, sir?
It's on Lockwood Road. Can I look it up?
Is it HPD property room?
Yeah, the HPD property.
HPD.
Yeah.
Lockwood, you know? Okay. You want to do it tomorrow? Is it too early?
I can we do Tuesday just to get John one more time, or we did tomorrow, is that okay with Judge?
You okay with Tuesday?
Like next Tuesday.
Mhm.
I go out of town this weekend, so it'd probably be farther than included. Like, well, today's Thursday, huh? So we won't be able to
You tell me what day next week.
We could try like Monday, probably.
Are you okay with Monday?
Monday's work time.
Okay.
This moment's fascinating. The court is digging deep to verify the gun's serial number. It's not just about paperwork, it's about legal chain of custody. If the wrong gun is released, it can compromise evidence or even reopen dismissed cases. How often do you think these small clerical gaps cause major courtroom chaos?
And y'all want me to come in the morning instead of
Like 11.
11? Okay.
Now, Judge, one thing I will ask, is the court willing to make a ruling on that older one, the earlier, they're not going to call it longer?
The first one when you got the dismissal on the first one, part of the agreement was that you would forfeit the weapon in
Yeah.
exchange for the dismissal. So I'm not going to give that
Yeah,
one
you
back.
told me that last
Right.
time, yeah.
I've already said it. So, but the second one, the newer one is what we're talking about.
Yes.
And as long as we match the serial numbers, I'm going to give it back to you. Okay?
And I have to come up here for all that to happen.
No.
Okay.
Can we put it on the docket so we make sure that it happens?
Because it's disposed of, no, it'll be like an error everywhere. They won't even be able to enter it.
I can't put it on the docket so that we'll actually, so come back, whatever day you want, we'll get it done. You just let me know if you want to come back Monday or Tuesday, whatever you want. If you don't have it done, I'm not going to force him to come back again.
I get it.
So we're not going to do this again after the next time. I'm going to put it on then. So it's got to get done by the next time.
Okay.
I'm not resetting this again.
And it's 11 o'clock on Monday. Okay, I got you. Thank y'all.
Thank you, Mr. Hughes.
Thank you.
This is Mr. Campbell? Okay. Good morning, Mr. Campbell. Mr. Campbell, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury.
Sure.
You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 120 days in jail with credit for the 19 days that you've done. I see that it's 2 counts of assault, right?
Correct.
They're going to be
One is
dismissed.
going to get dismissed.
Okay, so that's the agreement. As you see, 2 counts of assault, 1 will be dismissed. Is this how you understand it?
Sure.
You need to understand that you're giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement today.
And here again, the pattern repeats: plea deals, rights waived, quick sentences. Judges move fast, but behind every "yes, sir" is a permanent record. This is the side of justice we rarely see: efficiency versus empathy. Should courts prioritize speed or second chances?
If you give up the right to a trial,
Sure.
right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this for the rest of your life. You need to understand that from now on, you are facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up.
Sure.
Is this what you want to do?
Sure.
How do you plead to the offense of assault?
Good.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement. I'll send you to it. Good luck to you. Sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Krasinski. You were charged with forgery of a financial instrument. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Is this what you want to do? From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never change this. Undo this, do something else. Is this what you want to do?
Sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? We'll find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Does this take care of upstairs as well or no? No? All right. Got it. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.